The LSIP was vital in understanding the skills need of the engineering sector. By working together with a real variety of engineering companies and academic providers across the county, we drew out where those gaps were to allow courses to be developed that will help all of us as we go into the future. Here at Westcott, I'm delighted to be stood in one of the new buildings that's come about as part of a 60,000 square foot development here on site. It involves Westcott Share facilities here, which will allow students to come to site, learn, get involved with hands-on tools alongside businesses, thanks to the investment in this site, which skills was a major part of.
For engineering, we attended a number of the Buckinghamshire Business First employer events. We have understood more broadly what is needed from engineering employers, and as a result, we are kitting out a learning space in our brand new facility in High Wycombe that is going to respond specifically to what the employers are saying that they want their staff to be trained on. We really want more businesses to come forward to engage with the LSIP so that we can continue this investment and shaping our curriculum to better meet the local needs.